time for it. Check it out, Blake Bilko Williams. Here comes Jet Anderson. Insane stuff from these riders. What do you think, Melbourne? You guys want to see some more? I can't hear you out there. Let's make some noise. That's what I'm talking about. These are guys going full pelt, 75-foot gap. Absolutely incredible stuff. Alright, we're gonna get in. What? We're gonna get these guys going for a whip contest. Coming at you. What? Are you kidding me? Jet Anderson way past the mark. And here comes Ken Sinclair. Oh, no, look at that whip. Alright, you guys are gonna be the judge of this whip contest. These guys got two more out of them. Let's see what they got coming out with Bilko. Wow, huge whip from Blake Bilko Williams. Jet Anderson getting ridiculous. Are you kidding me? Let's see how Cam Sinclair will